guys, I just want to clear up what your expectations are for the week and where you can find things. So here I'm on your Canvas homepage. So this first link takes you to, it says the week of March 30th to March 3rd. So if you click on that, it'll take you to a list of what you're expected to do this week. So I have Monday and Tuesday. What I want you to be working on is I need you to review the unit circle and trig values. To do this, you need to finish the videos, exercises, and the quiz in Khan Academy, and I've made the due date be Wednesday. I realize a lot of you have started this, some of you have even finished these, and if you've finished them, if you haven't finished them, I would have them done by Tuesday because your test is on Wednesday. You should also practice your trig values through that link to where you can practice the trig value flashcards, and I'll take you to that link here in a second. The other thing I would really recommend studying for your test is the review assignment you got a week ago. You guys have submitted it, but you still have the copy of it, so I would review everything that was on that review assignment. Your test will be on Wednesday, so this is your first test. It's going to be a trigonometry values test. The test will be posted Wednesday at 8 a.m. and it must be submitted by midnight on Wednesday. It will be a paper test where you can just do your work on a separate piece of paper and then upload that by taking a picture of it and submitting that paper. But more instructions and stuff will be posted on Wednesday at 8 a.m. This test you need to take without the use of any help, so no calculators, no notes, no friends. So this one would be just all just you. On Thursday and Friday, our goal is we're going to be graphing sine, cosine, and tangent functions. So you're just going to be introduced to these three functions. So in Khan Academy, you're going to complete the videos and exercises about that topic. And all of those videos and exercises will be due on Friday. If you finish everything and you want extra practice, there are a lot of different topics you can review in Khan Academy, and I'll show you how you could access those if you were looking for some extra. Just a reminder, if you want to get help during the week, I have my office hours Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 until 10 a.m. and Tuesday and Thursday from 2 till 3. You can access it by just clicking on this link and it will take you to the Google Meet where I'll be. So you're welcome to stop in for 5 minutes, ask me a question. The question could be about what's due when or anything like that, or one of the concepts that we're learning this week. You're also welcome to email me here at my email address. I'll email you back, or if it's easier, we could set up our own Google meeting to answer your question if that's easier. So I'm going to go back to our homepage. So that's this first link. So the first link you can come back to, and that will review what we've got this week. The next link will take you to Khan Academy login. I think almost all of you have set up your account, so I appreciate that. Thank you. If you haven't, you'll want to set that up. So this would take you to it if you wanted to get to it that way. And then here are the trig flashcards that I said you should practice. So if you click on this link, it will take you here. You just have to launch it. So you click on this link again and it will take you here. From here, these first 4 bullets are the ones you should be studying. The first ones are just in the first quadrant, so you could practice in degrees or you could practice in radians. So these would be all the angles from like 0 to 90 degrees. And you're going to be practicing sine, cosine, and tangent. Each one gets a little bit more difficult, so the next set of cards would be all 4 quadrants. So instead of just being in quadrant 1, you'd have to decide which quadrant you're in and whether the trig value is positive or negative. And then this third one, when it says all 6 trig functions, that means it's going to ask you for secant of x, cosecant of x, cotangent of x in all 4 quadrants as well. Don't worry about the inverse tangent ones. We have not made it to that, so I guess it looks like it's those first 3 bullets that you could practice. So I would recommend practicing that before your test on Wednesday. So then that goes over what you have here, and I wanted to show you that there is an app for Khan Academy. So I've created an account myself, and I've connected my iPad. So here is what it looks like on my iPad. So I've downloaded the app, and I think it's super helpful. So let me show you what your expectations are here in Canvas. So you can just click See All. So this was my account that I've signed up for. I've just signed up as a student like you, so this should look as it does for you. If I click See All, it lists the assignments for the week. So over here on this side, it tells you when they're due. So due Wednesday. Once it's been completed, it will be marked as complete. And so you need to finish all of the ones until you get down to the trig quiz too. So those are the ones that are due by Wednesday at midnight. Now again, your test is on Wednesday, so I would recommend finishing these obviously before your test. So I would recommend Tuesday, but you do have until Wednesday to get those submitted. And then Thursday and Friday, you should be working on the rest of these. So it makes it look like a lot, but each of these videos is maybe 5-10 minutes at the most, and there's just a few videos. And then so when it has that play button, that means that it's a video you're going to be watching. That has a pencil, that means that there are some exercises for you to do there. So that's a few videos and then a few practice questions. And then I also wanted to show you kind of the information that I get, so you know how I'm keeping track of this. Let's see, so here is the teacher view in Khan Academy. So I can see once you've completed things, it shows me up here the things that have been completed. So you can see this student has finished everything. They got 100% on the unit circle assignment. If you've watched the video, it shows me with a green check. So this is how I'll be giving you guys points. So I'll be giving you guys credit for it based on it, and this is, based on your completion. Often if you get a low score like this, it'll let you retake it, so you can try to take it again to improve that score. So it will show me this. The other thing that it will show me on my end is it will show me your total minutes learning, meaning how long you've spent on the app. So again, my expectation is that you do about 30 minutes a day. So if you see some of these students have done, 154, so it will show me how much you've been spending, so I can look at over the course of the week to make sure that you've spent time on the app. So if you have any questions with Khan Academy, or you have questions just on what is expected of you, I would come back to this document here and also email me or drop into the office hours if you have questions. All right, take care.